Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 1. This is the first lesson for our first graders. And in this lesson we're talking about being able to determine parts of numbers up to 10 using 5 groups and number bonds. So looking at what we have here, we have these squares that is in a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So now that we know that there's 5 squares in a group of 5, we're going to be number detectives. And we're going to see what numbers are hiding inside of 5. Well, I see 2 and 3 hiding inside of 5. Well, let's put that into a number bond. So I'm going to keep those arms in my hand. I know that I circled 2, and then I circled 5. I circled 2, then I circled 3. And so now I know that I'm going to put 2 and then 3. Because 2 and 3 make up 5. So if you put 2 of those squares together and 3 of those squares together, that makes 5. Okay, so we know that 2 and 3 is a part to make up that 5, which is our whole or our total. Now, let's say maybe you saw another number. Let's say that maybe you saw, maybe you saw 4 and 1. Okay, great. So that means that 4 and 1 are our parts because we need 4 squares and that 1 square to make up that 5. 4 and 1 is our parts and 5 is our whole. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Now, some people may say, well, Miss Perkins, I see 5 and 0. I see 5 squares and then 0. Perfect. Well, but you're right. You're right. 5 as a part, and then 0 as a part, because we know that 5 and 0 make 5. Okay, because we know that 5 and put 0 together, that means that it would be 5. That would be our whole. All right, guys, that is it for this video.